You got pretty feet, though.
Oh, thank you.
What?
Hold on, Doc. Dr. Clerk.
That was...
Oh, you screamed even before it happened. It was like a song, Dr. Clerk.
Oh.
Oh my God. Ooh, loud one. Got my real aggressive side coming out. Yelling all out loud and everything.
No, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not.
Hey guys, Dr. Clerk, DMV chiropractor. I'm here today with Dr. America.
Hey guys.
What's up? What's going on?
Nothing much, just here visiting you. It's been a minute,
Right,
yeah.
like what, 2 years?
2 years since I last saw you.
Right. Have you been using the dry needling?
I have.
You have?
Yeah, it's been pretty good in my practice.
So tell me what's going on with you.
So as a chiropractor, you know, it's a very manual job. So moving people around, I'm getting a lot of tension in my upper back, neck, lower back, hips, a little bit of everything.
Everything, huh?
Yeah, and it's funny because, like, you know, we tell people to take care of themselves, but
Right.
at the same time, sometimes we don't take care of ourselves.
Right.
So that's why I came to see you.
Okay. So what's your social media in case, you know, people want to see you? Because you're in Virginia. Right?
I'm in Woodbridge, Virginia. Social media handle is @dr.america_.
All right, guys. So YouTube people, check out Dr. America's Instagram, Dr.America_.
Yes.
All right, cool. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm super excited.
All right, so today we're going to adjust you.
Okay.
I'm going to stretch you, and then Teyarna's going to do your massage.
Awesome.
Okay? So you got your shirt and everything? So
Yes.
That's the name of your clinic?
Yes,
Okay.
ASM Wellness.
ASM
and then
Wellness.
Dr. America handle is on the back
Okay,
here.
let's check out the handle.
Yes.
All right. At Dr. America. So it's 2 underscores.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. When is the last time you've been adjusted?
I got adjusted about a month ago.
A month ago? Mm-hmm. All right. So I'm just palpating. See what we got going on here. You're a little bit tight in the lower
Yes.
lumbars.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Let's rotate you a little bit here. Okay. Good. Rotate again. Okay. Cross your arms like this for me. All right. I'm gonna rotate and extend. What's going on? Any pain, soreness, stiffness?
A little
tightness?
stiffness.
A little bit of stiffness?
Yeah, and tightness.
Okay. Good.
More on that side.
More so on the right side?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Let's go over the neck. Tightness with lateral flexion? Mm-hmm. Okay. Ooh, this side is a bit tighter though.
Yeah, I'm getting like a little pinch right there.
Right there? Okay, let's do that again. So you have more motion here. And when we come to, yep, you're locked right there.
Yeah.
Okay. Rotate. Okay, so I'm just moving you so I can see like what type of adjustments that I need to do. Okay, cool. All right, so let's start with your upper mid area. Okay. So this will probably target like anywhere from like T2 to like T8, T9.
Okay.
Okay. So I have to be able to fit my arm to this space here. Fit my arm to this space right here. Good. Are you still locked?
I'm locked and I'm
like
loose.
you're good?
Yes, and I'm loose. Yeah.
All right. Deep breath. Out. Good. One more time. Deep breath. Out.
Oh my God. Dr. Clerk, I've never had that one done before. Oh my God.
I know.
That felt so good. A huge release in the mid back.
Super.
Oh my God. Amazing.
Yeah. Everything's gonna be a little different today.
Yes. Very.
Not too bad?
No, I want to learn that one though.
I can show you how to do
Yes.
it. We'll use TT.
Okay.
How's that? Test done. I'm gonna try to get like a little bit upper.
Okay.
Like from T1 to like T4. We may not get it because that first one took everything out.
Yeah,
Okay,
I felt it like all the way
up there, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna see if there's a little bit left. Okay.
Okay.
Let's have you stand up for me.
Stand up.
If there's anything left, we'll be able to get it.
Okay.
Okay. But I doubt it. I'm 90% sure it won't cavitate.
Okay.
But we'll just see. All right. Let's spread your legs apart from you a little bit. Perfect. Move arms up. Good. Put both of your hands on top of my hands. Go underneath your hair. Interlock your fingers.
Sorry, my hair's in that way.
There you go.
Okay.
Put your head down a little bit. Okay, now bring your elbows together. Okay, bring it back. Squeeze your elbows. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. A little one.
A little one, yeah.
Yeah.
I felt it.
One. Yep.
Yeah.
But if we didn't do the first one, it would have been.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, have a seat.
Okay.
Okay, cool. So just relax. Good. Go on this side, relax. Okay. Put your hand on your hip, and then when I ask you, you're gonna kind of like move your shoulder back, but slowly, okay?
Okay.
So sometimes you get some cavitation with it, sometimes you won't. It all depends, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Move it back.
There we go.
Move it back.
Ooh, loud one. Felt good.
Good.
Yeah.
Not too
like
bad.
that one. That one was good.
Shoulder down.
Nice.
You're getting everything done today, huh?
Yes.
Okay, let's go to your feet.
Okay.
Feet done?
Should I take my shoes off?
Take everything off.
Okay. Socks too?
Everything.
Okay.
He likes to listen
Hey.
on the spot, brother. You gotta come here with your feet done. No,
Okay.
I'm just saying. Spot.
On the spike.
Crusty toe.
No.
Is that your description?
Yes.
Feet will be shown.
Yeah, you gotta let them know, cause
Oh, they're cute.
I got my toes done
I
yesterday.
got the red glitter. See?
Cute. Yeah.
She was ready.
Holiday colors.
She was
My
ready.
feet are a little sweaty though.
I got you. Let's see.
That's why you playing about the church fetish.
Yeah.
Got a feet fetish.
Feet fetish, Dr. Clark.
I think you're in the wrong profession.
You can have an OnlyFans for just feet.
Y'all are crazy.
That's another stream of income for you.
Hey, hey.
If it pay good, let me know. I'll give you a big toe.
You'd be surprised though. People love feet.
Yeah.
called feet finders.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
It's a real thing.
Oh my God. Y'all
They
are
make
crazy.
like white toes and stuff like the white color on your feet.
Oh, they like that?
They got a preference.
She's all right with it? Okay.
Yeah.
Let me get white, ma'am.
Let me get some white toes.
Every time
All right, let's get started. Let's get started. You got pretty feet though.
Oh, thank you.
What?
About his foot fetish.
Hold on, Doc.
Dr. Clark.
All right, so let's do some range of motion first and see how that goes. Okay. There's no pain with that, right?
No pain.
Okay. All right. Same thing on this side here. That's fine? Mm-hmm. All right. Okay, so just relax for me. Good.
Oh, I like that.
Good. Slide up for me a little bit. Just relax. Good.
Ooh, that felt good. Oh.
Good.
I knew this foot was gonna pop more than the other.
Then the other one?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna just work on the muscle just like a few minutes real quick, okay?
Okay.
So like extensor digitorum brevis, extensor hallucis. As long as, you know, I'm just going to work on those a little bit.
Okay.
All right. She's going to have you start a OnlyFans just for your feet. Messing with her.
You know, you guys want to know a funny story? On Instagram one time, I was getting a call on my phone, right? Like an Instagram call. And I was like, who is this? Like, it's some person that I didn't know. So I opened it, but I didn't put, like, I put it like that so they couldn't see me, right? And it was some guy from, like, the UK, but he was Indian, but he had, like, a English accent. And he was like, I am in love with you. Can I see your feet, please? And I was like, no. It was the craziest thing that has ever happened to me on Instagram.
There's a lot of weirdos on Instagram.
Yes. And then he kept messaging me. I obviously blocked him, but he was like saying how he had a foot fetish.
He's serious.
He was serious.
He was serious.
Yeah. I guess my right foot holds more tension than my left.
It does.
Yeah. You're going to see that imbalance in my hips once you adjust my lower back. Do you do any like Graston work or?
I do, but because we know we have the massage therapist,
Yeah.
so they tend to do most of the
More
soft
of that, like,
tissue. Yeah.
Like, okay.
How much you charge for a foot massage?
Who? Me?
You like that? I'm just saying. Get
Felt
me.
really good. Felt good.
So I'm focusing more on the flexors. So the flexor digitorum brevis, like right here, because you know it helps with plantar flexions.
Yeah.
You don't have to get that close. Jeez.
Let me get the angles.
The angles.
This video gonna blow up. Watch.
Yeah. You're going to have to pay me that foot fee.
$4.99.
Just bring closer to me. Good. Perfect. Hold on to your arm. Keep holding on. Good. Perfect. All right. Good. Relax. Deep breath. Out. Yes, man. Good. All right. All right. Relax. Deep breath. Let it out. Yep. All right, let everything go. Not too bad?
Really good, yeah.
Good. All right. Same thing on this side.
Okay.
Relax.
Amazing.
Not bad?
Really good.
You got everything cracked.
Yes. Feeling really good. Thank you.
So, the last thing we're going to do is the Ystrap.
Okay.
Do you do the Ystrap as well?
I have it, yeah.
Do you use it?
Sometimes.
Sometimes?
Yeah.
Go ahead, take a deep breath for me. Out. Good. Let that one go. One big breath.
Wow. Damn.
Woke you up, huh?
Yes.
Let's try to be all cute.
Got my real aggressive side coming out. Yelling all out loud and everything. Oh, that felt really good.
It's good?
Yes. Just need a minute to breathe. But that felt good.
You heard it, though.
Yes.
Yeah.
Did you guys hear it?
Yeah. You'll hear it.
Felt that right here and like the base of the neck. Felt really good.
All right, let's take this up. Let's have you come up.
Thank you.
Okay. Get up, move around. Let me know how you feel.
Okay. A lot lighter.
A lot lighter?
Yes.
Yeah.
Lighter. Definitely can move my neck better now, for sure.
Yeah.
Hips feel looser. Oh, look at that. Look.
Oh, yeah. You remember that first lateral flexion?
Yes,
yeah.
that feels amazing.
You got everything done, though. So.
Yes. I feel really good. Really loose.
Right.
Thank you.
All right, so you ready for me?
I'm ready. Let's do some flexion here. A little tighter on that right side. Any pain, Dr. Clarge? Let's bend. Good. Okay. Good. Seems like your right side is a little tighter than the left.
Yeah.
Any headaches?
No, not really.
Okay, well, let's get started then, okay?
Okay.
Can I do the mid-back one on you?
Sure.
All right, so I'm going to have you interlock your fingers. Perfect. Okay. Here. We're going to put this in through here. Okay, so I'm going to have you just relax, okay? Take a deep breath in and loosen your body. Good. One more deep breath. And exhale. Very good. How did that feel?
That was good.
Good. Perfect.
Oh,
all right.
Man. It's now, like you do it all the time, but you don't get it done often.
Yes.
But when it's done to you, it's like
it feels so good.
That was good.
Good. So I'm gonna have you just relax. I'm gonna bring you slightly over. Bring you this way. You okay?
That was good.
Good. Turn the other way.
Whew. Oh man.
When was the last time you got adjusted?
It's probably like since those guys were there, like 2 months ago. Oh, I've been working so
A
hard.
long time. Deep breath in and exhale. Good. Good. I want you to relax your head. Breathe in and exhale. How was that, Dr. Clark?
Man, that was whew. The last person who adjusted me like that was the guy from Miami, Dr. Thompson. Man, that was good.
Good.
Ooh.
Let's get one on this side here. Relax and exhale. Oh, you screamed even before it happened.
I felt it.
Yes, it was really good.
Oh my God.
Crunchy.
Oh, jeez.
All right. Come on up.
Whew. Oh man.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
Good.
You should see him getting stretched.
He's a character.
Man, that was good though. Whew.
I can't wait to see the video where I'm like, when he did the Ystrap, I literally screamed.
Scream, you did. Whew. All right.
How are you feeling?
I feel good.
Good. You want me to do your toes?
Do whatever you want.
Take your shoes off.
Now we get to see Dr. Clarge's toes. Hold on.
He has nice feet. He has nice
You
feet.
got nice feet.
Yeah.
I know you get your feet done.
No,
does, he
actually,
does.
I
Who
don't.
does your pedicures?
Me. Oh man. Whew. All right.
For the women with the foot fetish.
I guess there's women on Feet Finder too, right? His range of
Lotion on them.
You put a little shit. You can, because
It's fine.
they're gonna talk about me.
Well,
the trolls, the YouTube trolls.
Right. I do have like a callus, like right.
Yeah.
You see it? You feel
yeah,
it?
I felt it. Mhm. Okay. Do a little impulse here. Relax your foot. Okay, good. Relax. You're fine. Got some nice separation in there. Did you feel that? It was like a song, Dr. Claire. All right.
Oh, man. Woo.
Pretty good there.
Oh.
The big toe.
The big toe. All right.
Stupid. Oh, man.
Feels good?
That was good.
All right. Oh, you want to do your wrists and stuff too?
Sure. Do whatever you want.
Right, shoot, I'm down for the ride.
Let's check this one. Relax.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to work after this.
You're gonna be so relaxed.
I know.
Not too much here. Good. Perfect.
Whew. What is left? I guess the Ystrap is next, right?
Yes.
Okay.
You want to do it?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
All right. Okay, just like a deep stretch. Mm-hmm. Okay, take a deep breath in and exhale. Did I get it?
You got it?
I did? Oh. Good.
Oh, man.
That's the other thing. Good. Did you feel it?
I did.
Good. Where did you feel it? In your upper back? Or?
No, it's like, it got to like T1.
Oh, so it's more cervical.
Yeah.
Okay.
From like the neck down to like T1.
Oh, okay.
Whew. That was good, though.
It was good?
It was good.
Okay.
Oh,
Good.
my God.
Yes.
I'm not going to be able to work after this. Oh. Okay. Oh, that was good, though.
You gonna ruin everything popping up like that.
Huh?
You gonna ruin everything she did popping up like that.
Man, I feel loose. I feel
Good.
light. I feel...
Get up, move around.
Yeah,
like I tell everybody.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Again. Wow.
Karate.
I hope you got. Did you get that? I like that. Karate
good.
clerk.
You gotta get with the other leg.
Yeah.
Can you go back and find that? I need to see that.
I feel good. Good. Look at that. Relax. No breath. Let it out.
Oh.
Yes. Good. Deep breath. Let it out. Good.
I like that one.
You like that one? Mm-hmm. All right, we're gonna go a little bit deeper.
Okay.
Deep breath. Let it out. Relax. Nice. The other side, one last time. Relax your body. Deep breath. Out. Let it go. Good. You just gotta let your whole body go.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. How do I put my head?
Just put your head, drop your head down. Good. Take a deep breath for me. Let it out.
Oh. Ooh. I'm heavy, Dr. Claire.
No, you're good. Relax your whole body. Deep breath. Out. Let it go.
Oh.
Yes.
Wow.
Out. Let your body go. Good. Deep breath. Out. Let your body go. Deep breath. Let it out.
Good. Good one.
Let's go again. Deep breath. Let it out. Perfect. Now we're going to the other side. So once again, go fine. Deep breath. Let it out. Good. Deep breath. Good. Nice. Perfect. Okay.
Oh, that's a good one. That got everything. Shoulders, low back.
Mm-hmm. Just relax. Good. Out. Deep breath. Out. Perfect. Whew.
Good. Thank you.
Good. 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 Let's do it again. Back up. Deep breath. Slide. Good, good, good. Perfect. And slide. Good. Perfect. Good. Okay. Now let's have you on your back.
Okay.
Deep breath for me. Let it out. Go a little deeper.
Okay.
Deep breath. And let it out. There you go. Good. Good. Let it out.
Really good. Yeah.
Side here.
Getting those deep stretches and
Right.
those hard to get
To
areas.
get, yeah, exactly. And let everything go. Yeah, that side for some reason.
So tight.
So tight,
Yeah.
Deep breath. Let it out. There you go. Good. Nice. Perfect. And let it out. Good. And let it out for me. Good. Perfect. Good. Deep breath. And let it out. Can we go more?
I think that's good.
Woo.
Oh, that felt good on my lower back.
Lower back, yeah.
Yeah.
Deep breath. Out. Deep breath. Out. Good. Deep breath. And let it out. Good, 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 good. Nice. Deep breath. And let it out. Yes.
tight.
Let's go to the other side.
Okay.
Deep breath. Let it out. Good, 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 good. Deep breath. Out. Deep breath. And let it out. Out. Good. Okay.
So good.
All right, so start with a deep breath in and go all the way back, all the way back. Good.
Oh, that's a nice stretch.
And then we can switch. Deep breath once you're ready. And all the way up. Good.
Oh, I like that one. That's a good one.
You can come on up.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Really good. Let's move around. Let's see. Really good, Dr. Clerge. Thank you.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so now Teyarna's going to take over. She'll do your massage, okay?
All right, thank you.
With one big deep breath in. Good. Yeah, cupping done recently.
I did.
I can see it a little bit.
Yeah. I did.
Did it help?
It did. A little bit. What I really needed was the adjustment.
Yeah.
So I'm glad I got that done today.
Let's start with a deep breath in for me. All the way out. Raise your head. Good. Feel that stretch? Good. And relax.
Oh, that felt good.
Good. Deep breath in. One more. All the way out. Mm-hmm.
In all spots.
Everything that Dr. Claire's didn't get.
There we go.
We're a good team. Just, it's fine.
Balance.
All the way out. Raise your head for me. Good, relax. You felt the release? Good. I want you to start with that deep breath in, all the way out. Good, another breath in, all the way out. Deep breath for me. All the way out. I want you to take a deep breath in for me. Good. Another breath in. All the way out. Breathe for me. All the way out. Good. Deep breath in. All the way out. Good. We're gonna do one more breath. All the way out. Good. Breathe for me. Deep breath. All the way out. Perfect. Another breath in. All the way out. Perfect. One more breath for me. Same thing on this side. Good, breathe. All the way out. Good, deep breath in. All the way out. Good. Big deep breath. All the way out. Perfect. Deep breath in. Good. How do you feel?
Good. Really relaxed.
Good.
Thank you. You have some magic hands.